Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys. It's a challenge log number 6 by LockPicking Patrolman, and it's called 40 Amendment. This log was sent to me by Lebel. Albert, thank you very much for sending it to me. And it's a 5-pin lock. Here's the key, very nice. Short, long pin, too short, long, and short. So yeah, I think it's a very shiny one. I think it's a quick set keyway, but I'm not really sure. So let's try picking it. Yeah, this is going to work, and my usual default diamond, so I will go, it's for this tension tool, I will go clockwise. So yeah, let's start picking it. Again, shiny one, so focus is going to be to go crazy. Come on, focus. So 1 nothing, 2 it's binding, 1 2 clicks, 3 nothing, 4 binding, 5 strange click, 1 nothing, 2 2 is back. Yeah, I was on 3 2 3 couple clicks, and I think I overset now. 4 big click, 5 nothing. So let's go from again 1 nothing, 2 2 is binding, couple of clicks from 2 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing. Again, the focus is doing crazy things. So 1 nothing, 2, I think I overset 2 because I cannot even fill 2. Focus. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 click. Oh, it's open. I touch pin number 5. Probably I overset something, but when I remove the tension, I probably set some of them. Yeah, nevertheless, open. It's an open. So squishy thing. So let's disassemble it. Pin tray. It's a C-clip. It was pretty interesting one. Like, I think 2 and 3 they're like serrated. I have the key so I can lock it. They're serrated, but come on. I think 5 was spool and 1 and 2 I think they were standard, but yeah, we'll see. Hard to remove the C-clip. Key, shim. Good, there's no. So let me. The pins are top. Yeah, great. Awesome. So here's the key, and you can see threaded, all the chambers are threaded. So let's dump everything. 1 it's a serrated, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 serrated, 5 standard, and everything is threaded. All 5 chambers are threaded. Let me rearrange a bit. Look at that. Come on, focus. I don't know which side is like. They're maybe tempered, or I will put that the second one is tempered probably. And yeah, nice serrations. Yeah, interesting, different. So let's go from the drivers one. It's standard. Come on, spring. Oops. Here's the spring from 1 to it's a pretty nice rated one, and a small spring. Sorry, 2. 3 is again rated spool something combination. I cannot get the spring from 3. 5 is very nice serrated plus tipping maybe. Come on, spring. I will get the spring later. And 4 it's a standard one, so let me get the springs. This is from 5, 4 and 3. Come on, spring. Yeah, there is the spring from pin 3. Let me check the body. 1, 2, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. It's standard core, and you can see LockPicking Patrolman number 6. Yeah, 5 chambers. So yeah, let me give you a close-up. So 1 is tempered one with 1 serration, 2 keeping, it's a tempered one, 3 standard, 4 serrated, pretty nice serrations, 5 standard. For the drivers, 1 is standard, 2 is this very nice serrated, but probably a lot of guys pick this lock, so mushy one. Same thing for 3, a couple of serrations, pretty nice serrations. 4 is the standard, and 5 is very nice sharp serration. And the springs are, all the springs are different. Yeah, so guys, that was the number 6 from LockPicking Patrolman, called 4th Amendment. Albert Lebel, LockPicking Patrolman, thank you very much for pinning. Albert Lebel, thank you very much for sending it to me. Guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.